What's up, guys? It's your boy Jaden, and hold on, can I see you? Yeah, say what's up.
What's up?
It's and here, Larry. We about to play some D-Dun Ditch, or the title gonna be knocking on people's door. But let's get it, man. Y'all already know how we rockin'. So right now we about to knock on somebody's door. We don't know yet though. Oh, but look at fast up front. Alright, let's get it. Just know I'm gonna bring y'all some more of this. But let's get it, man. Y'all already know how we
put it
rock.
on YouTube.
I am putting this on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
What's the name of your channel?
JM and JS Nation.
JM and JS Nation.
Yeah. Cause I got my cousin that's doing it with me.
Talking like the one that we were playing with the other day?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I got my camera shaking like I do on music. I do like. Alright. But let's get it, man. Y'all know how we rockin'. Which house you wanna knock on?
Friend house that we knocked on first time.
No.
Oh, not that house.
Alright, come on. Sorry guys for the camera shaking.
Oh, so this way. I'm in the house.
Alright.
I'm in the house there.
No, we're not knocking on that one. We already knocked on it. Sorry guys. Alright, we're walking now. Hopefully we don't get caught. So yeah. Guys, can y'all please pray for us? Pumpkins. Shut up. What the freak? What the world? I said what the freak, by the way, Keisha. There's pumpkins. Oh my god. Y'all don't know. Beware of dog. Sorry guys. Okay. Guys, we just did it. Y'all don't know how that was. So guys, that was close. Hold on guys, I'll see you guys later. Alright, Larry, which one you wanna knock on now?
I'm not going to knock on down the stairs.
Bye. Alright,
Let's do it down here.
oh my god. Just know, we live in an apartment by the lakes. The lake is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh shit, the other door. Alright guys, we walking right now.
Showing the lake.
And I didn't say the S word, Keisha. I said, oh shoot. That's the lake. Hold on. Guys, the lady is crazy.
I'm not gonna pee.
She just think that we just littered. Like, really? Dang, freaking Trump supporter. Sorry to my Trump supporter. Oh, but you gonna get caught. Walk suspicious. But yeah. So we did one house. Come on. Where are we going? I think there's somebody in that house. So come on. You're gonna knock on that house that that old lady just left out. Wow, somebody's still in there, see? Just go. Come on. See?
You could have just left the light on the purpose.
So just come on.
You come with me.
Alright.